Alright guys, today I have this Dolce Gusto Jovia for you. It's a brand new machine. My old one is gone, so I'm gonna unpack it and see how it works by preparing, well, something different today that I have. In other words, tea latte. What you get inside is a gift box with some basic coffees, so latte, grande, espresso and chococino. Alright, and the machine is neatly packed, so let me get it out nicely and quick. So it's a really nice piece of a coffee machine. Works as any other Dolce. That's a water tank at the back. Let me put it up nicely so you can see where I have it, and let me do some tea latte for myself. So I'm ready. I have set it up nicely. The first use, it's best if you rinse it through. So I'm gonna use just water to rinse the pipes and so on, and then make my drink. So just now for hot and cold water. You can see the water is coming down. Now the same with cold water. And now it's time to make my drink. Let me show you the machine from all sides. So it's a nice little egg. It should fit in most places. It's not made by Krups anymore. This one is made by DeLonghi. And that's the water I use for cleaning. Okay, so I'm actually ready. I have set up the machine pretty nice. Let me power it on. We need to wait till it stops blinking, it becomes green. In the meantime, I can remove that and put some tea latte inside. So I'm putting the tea latte in. First the milk capsule. Alright, closing it in, and time for it to work. This time I'm gonna use a plastic, biodegradable plastic cup, and turn it on, see how it works. Oh yes, you can see the milk coming down. Okay, now time to switch it to the tea capsule, so it's darker. This can be disposed of into the bin now. And the next one is the tea. It's as easy as that. Close it up, switch it on, and let's see. It almost looks like a cappuccino that I've shown on one of my first films with the Express. Nescafe Dolce Gusto capsules. Alright, and I'm satisfied. The tea is ready. So let's throw the capsules away. And you may switch it off, or it will go off automatically, and I'm ready to go to a meeting. Nice. Okay, so in general, easy to set up, very nice looking, like most Dolce Gusto espresso machines. So highly recommend it to you guys.